Hello friends, welcome to the Art Time channel. So as you can see on the title, today I am going to teach you how to draw a donut. Now get your paper and pen, and also you can use marker and crayon if you want, and then let's get started. Starting off by drawing an oval shape. And draw a curvy line inside the oval, and the space of the bottom should be more thick than the top. And draw a short curvy line to the opposite of the long curvy line. Next, I'm gonna draw a wavy line along the oval shape. This is gonna be the cream. And draw two eyes in here and in here. I'm gonna draw the eyeball inside the circle and add a highlight. Don't forget the small smile between the eyes, just like this, and we're ready to coloring it. I'm gonna coloring this part using color pencil. You can use marker and crayon if you want. And if you are using marker or crayon, you can coloring it with brown color. I'm gonna fast forward this step so you can pause it if you miss something. Now I'm gonna coloring the cream with pink color. And again, I'm gonna fast forward the step. Now we add the sprinkle. I'm using a red marker. add blush under the eyes to make it cute. So we're done. The donut ready to serve. So thank you. See ya on my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Bye.